All right, for today, August 19th, you will be working on Social Studies Weekly 2. And this is titled Where is the United States? So in this, you're going to learn where in the world is the United States? Where in the world is Texas? Where's Austin? Where do you live? You're going to learn about the borders of our country, our state and capital, and the terms coast and distance. So as you're going through the articles in this Social Studies Weekly, I want you to look for those terms, coast and distance, okay? By the time you're finished, you should be able to define what they are and even locate them on a map. So what you're going to do today, I'm going to shut off my screen here, is you're going to log into Social Studies Weekly through Clever. And this time you're going to be clicking on week 2. Okay, at this point we will have finished week 1, so we're going to click on week 2, where is the United States. And here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 articles you will need to complete. I would like you to listen or read to each one of these. As I showed you in the first video, you just click the play button.
Can you find Texas on this map? The United States is part of North America.
Okay, you can have it read to you or you can read it yourself. Also, don't forget to click on any video or explore more buttons that are at the top up here. So this will actually show you a world map, and it will ask you these questions below. And remember, you can earn coins by getting these correct. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. All right. When you're finished, you're going to go on to the next article. And I want you to do that until you get through all of these articles. Oop, there's one of the words we were looking for. Oh, and look, there's another one. So these 2 terms you should know by the time you're done. And then when you are finished with all articles, you will end up on the ABC order. And you're given these words right here: New York, Illinois, California, and Georgia. These are all states in our country. And I would like you on a piece of paper to write them in alphabetical order. And you can turn them in through Google Classroom if you need to take a picture, whatever works for you. Then, when you're finished with that, I would like you to try this game called Misspelled. So just click on the play button. All right, click play. And this game is going to use your terms that you read in your Social Studies Weekly 2, and you have to sort through them. Put the incorrect spelled words in this box and the correct spelled words in this box. So let's look at this one, Texas. Is that correct or incorrect? You're right. It is correct. So we're going to put it over here. And we get a nice little check mark. Let's take this one. United States. Is that spelled correctly? You're right. It's not. So we're going to put it over here. And we get a checkbox over there. Now, what if we make a mistake? Well, you got to start over. Okay, so I want you to play this game and see if you can play and get them all right. That's the challenge. Okay, and when you're finished, you just have to quit. All right, it'll bring you back to this article right here. So once you have completed all that, all your articles, and you have played Misspelled and you turned in your ABC order, it can be a photo of it or you can write it in the comments section, but somehow your teacher needs to see that. When you are finished, that's it. You're all done for this lesson. And I will be back for the next Social Studies Weekly.